Mama, don't die. You'll be fine. Mama, please don't die. Nothing will happen to you, Mama.
Stay strong for us.
Yeah, Mama. Mama. Thank God. Oh. Thank God.
Mama, please just stay strong for us, please. If you had not resigned from your workplace, we wouldn't have been lacking money. Now what are we going to do?
Oh, but don't say that though. Do you know why I had to resign? Do you know why I had to resign? I'm even praying that the same thing that happened there will not happen at my new place of work.
What will happen, sister?
God,
What are we going to do?
Mama, you'll be fine. Mama, you'll be fine, okay? Don't worry.
My children, make sure you do everything possible to make me get well.
Mama, Mama, you'll be fine. Mama, you'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you.
Mama, stay strong.
Mama, no matter. Nothing will happen to you. Mama, nothing will happen to you.
Mama, you will not die.
You'll be fine. Thank God.
Mama, please stop talking like this. You know that nothing will happen to you, please.
I'll go back to the city. I'll go and look for money. And I'll come back tomorrow. So first thing tomorrow, I am back. And what? Take this money. Use it to buy her clothes. That I will hold that till I'm back tomorrow. Oh, Mama, nothing will happen to you.
I will try. Anything I will do to make sure that Mama doesn't die, I will do it. Even if you harass me to meet devil face to face, I will do it.
Oh, shut up. What kind of talk is that one?
What do you want me to do now?
It's not your duty, It's my duty, it's my responsibility to take care of Mama, and I will do it. Nothing will happen to her. Mama, you will not die. Stop saying it. You will not die.
What are you doing here, Jenny?
Where is she? Where is the girl?
Haven't I told you not to come to this office again? What's wrong with you? So what do you want to do with her now if you find her? You want to fight her?
I told you yesterday that I was going to come this morning to give her the definition of a wife, and that is why I'm here. Secondly, to protect my marriage. Yes, I need to protect you from all these wolves that call themselves single ladies out there. Achoma Akoko, where is she? I want to see her.
What is wrong with you, Jen? This lady only called yesterday because her mother was sick and she was going to rush to the village this morning. That's why she called. But no, instead you shouted at her and dropped the phone and all those things.
I want to warn her to stop calling my husband in the night. Yes, her business ends here. She doesn't have any right to call you at night, though. Why didn't she also tell me that her mother was sick or her mother died when she called you? Why did she cut off?
Maybe if you had talked to her nicely, she probably would have told you. But no, all you do is rant. Anyway, now that you have found out she's not here, can you go home? Go home.
Are you sure she's not coming back soon?
I say go home. Don't force me to get up here. Go home.
I am only going because of the respect I have for you. It's because of the respect I have for you as my husband, though. That is why I'm going. I am going home. I just want to be sure she's not here. God, we'll see at home.
It's not easy. For me, I don't even understand. I don't know what to do. The last place I was working, I had to resign. I did not tell you why. You know. See, that my Oga was working for before. He couldn't let me in. Always disturbing me every day. Every day, this man was disturbing me in the shop. His wife almost killed me now. That was why I resigned. Oh, man, like this. Maybe all this things and find it. I don't know. I can't This new job I got now. This man is still disturbing me. What do you want me to do? Sister, please find anything you can just do so Mama will not die. Don't find anything to do in that city, because if I'm the one that is in that city, I will do anything.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Oh God, don't say that.
Don't worry. Okay?
I'm not alarmed.
Oh God, stop saying that. Don't worry, she will not die. I'll go back, I'll meet my Oga. I know that if I beg him, I'll beg him very, very well. He'll help me. I'll beg him. He'll give me. He'll help us. The man is a good man. You know the way he employed me now, so fast, like as if God just touched his heart. So if I go back now, I'll talk to him very well. I'll beg him and he'll help us. Don't worry. Don't go back. Take care of Mama. Don't do something stupid though. Ogo, take care of yourself, please. Ogo, I will come back with the money. I will come back tomorrow or next. I will come. Just go back. Take care of Mama. Don't do anything I will not like. Ogo, you know how much I trust you in this village. Don't follow all these village girls. So don't worry. I will come back. My Oga will give me. Bye bye. Take care of Mama.
Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Life will teach you a lesson. It's up to you to learn.
I want us to go and see him tomorrow evening.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Don't worry. I am here for you. I am very, very happy for you as well.
Thank you, Jay.
But you have noticed that this girl nearly took her own life. All I want you to do is to make sure you do everything humanly possible to secure her in your house. Please.
Ichie, who is staying here? Nobody's staying here. Because it won't even take me up to 2 weeks. If God gives me the contract I've been looking for, I'll do her traditional marriage and white wedding. Then marry her, take her to the city. Ichie, when go be him to pay her dowry. Once I do that, I am done.
We will go there tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
And pay the dowry, do everything.
Okay. Thank you, Chief.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I want to go be him.
I'm waiting for
Mary, Small, who will I give? Who will I leave the shop to go to the bank for? If I give this girl, she will just run away with my money. Only God knows. My baby.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What is it?
Sir.
You are back already.
Yes, sir.
How's your mother?
Sir, she's not fine. She's dying. Sir, please help my mother. I don't want her to die.
Yeah, but you know what to do is very simple. Just agree to go with me to the hotel and I'll give you that money. 70,000. I have more than 70,000 here. I will give you the money, even much more than that, so that you can save your mother. But help me too.
Sir, please. Sir, is that all you want me to do? Before you can't help me, I don't want my mother to die.
But it's not a problem for you now. Just follow me to the hotel room and I will give you this money. You can save your mother.
Okay, sir, let us go.
It's okay. Prepare. We'll go to that hotel room. I think we'll just close the shop. It's because we're going to stay there till tomorrow morning. Then if you want some more, you can even tell me because I'm very good in bed. The money is yours, so let's go. Okay, let's close the shop.
Okay, sir.
Close the shop now. Pack your things.
I've packed everything. I've packed.
Hey, what is all this? Look at the time. Where could my husband be? By this time of the night. Let me try his number again. Romanos, you want to give me BP? It will not work.
The MTN number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Switched off. Hey, Romanos. Adoma.
The MTN number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
His number is switched off. Romanos, your number is switched off. Wait, Shalokwa. Could it be that my husband is cheating on me? It's not possible. There's no problem. So, Boadero, You can sleep wherever you are, but you will surely come back to this house. When you come back, you will explain to me where you've been. So, Wadro.
Hey, Nem, how are you?
Fine, babe. Good morning.
Morning.
Where are you off to this morning?
I want to go and cut some plantain. I'll give to Mama.
Okay. Can I come with you?
Just stay around and tidy up the whole place. Imagona's new wife.
Baby, but you know I don't have to pretend to anyone. I am your wife now. So I will do whatever I have to do. Babe, what is it?
Hold on. Hello? Mike Alpha. What? When? Oh my God. Mike, I didn't know. I've not checked my mail. Hey. Thank God. Mike, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Hey!
Wow, tell me.
Hey,
what is it?
Hey.
I didn't know now.
So hey.
What is it?
The contract have been pursuing. Mike said they sent me mail. I've not even checked my mail. I've gotten the contract.
Oh, babe, are you serious?
I'm sorry.
I'm happy, come here. Wow.
I'll go and check my mail.
I'm so happy.
Jesus, God, I'm so happy.
Jesus! Hey, God! Hey, what am I going to do? Hey, Jesus! Hey, my mama is gone. My mother is gone. No, hey, Jesus, I will go more. Hey, God! Hey, God! No. God, Jesus. Hey! Oh my God, no! Jesus!
What is the problem?
This woman, why are you like this? Why are you nagging my life like this? Huh? I will leave this house for you.
You will not try it. Romanus, you will not try it. Yes. What is wrong in me asking my husband where he slept last night? Romanus, where did you sleep last night that you did not tell me? That is the question.
It's okay. If you must know.
Yes.
I was at a meeting. I was with Henry last night. So.
Liar. Romanus, you are a very big liar. On your book, yes. Because I called his wife and she told me that Henry was not back. But when Henry came back, she called me back to tell me that her husband was back. So where were you? Romanus, where were you?
I told you, Henry and I went for that meeting. It was late. Henry went home because his house was close to the place. And for security reasons, I couldn't come home. So I had to sleep at a hotel. Deal with that.
Liar. Liar. Romanus on your
I have suffered enough.
Okay. Why didn't you tell me all that? The hotel where you slept, was there no light? Why didn't you charge your phone to at least tell your wife that I will not be coming? You will not be Kigam Nelu.
I'm not like women who carry chargers around. The charger was in the shop. Yeah.
Romanus, look for another lie. Romanus, look for another lie. This one will not work. I knew you were in that hotel with that girl. But the day I will catch you people. Hey, the day I will catch you people red-handed, Romanus.
See, all these things you are talking about, you are just making unnecessary noise.
Eh?
Who are you talking about, Asa? Look at yourself. I told you already that Asa's name should not be mentioned here. Why? Because she traveled. She went to see her sick mother. So what's your problem? I told you I was out at a meeting last night. Deal with that. Leave it like that. So what's wrong with you? Must you mention Asa's name for it to be complete? Yeah. Oh. This, I came home here because I came back to come and change. Yeah? That's why I came, so I can go to work. Don't disturb me, please. I don't have time, please. Don't wait.
There is no problem.
Allow me go to the shop.
Change and go and meet her. Eh? Change your Romanus. Change and go back to her. You see this game you are playing? The day I will catch you red-handed, that day I will start my own. I want you fogri, Maroni Kega. There is no problem. Romanus, there is no problem. Oh.
Baby, you have to start going. You can't continue to wait for Ichi now.
No, I will wait till he comes. I will wait. I need to hand things over to him before I start going. Or do you want to go and stay with your mother?
No, you don't expect me to run away from my home. Your sisters will not eat me up. And besides, why do you make me feel like I'm a baby?
Because you're my baby.
I'm not.
Anyway, I know my sisters will not eat you up. I really want to organize things and make sure I get a place that we can stay. So once I come back, I do the traditional marriage, white wedding.
I can't
Then
wait.
we go back. Okay, money is no longer the problem.
Oh, baby, come on, do and start going. Okay, come and give me a hug.
You hate you like
Babe, my tummy.
What is it? Do you still take your drugs?
Yes, baby, I'm fine. Don't worry. Come, let me see you off.
Okay, let's go. If you need to call the plantain, please call it here to help you.
Don't worry, I'll do it myself.
Oh?
Give me.
No, leave it, leave it. Come, let's go. Oh, give me a hand. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Remember what I told you, eh? Once you need help, try and call me here to help, okay?
Leave him. Let him go without telling his elder sister. So this is it. Eh? Kene has gotten a job and he didn't care to discuss it with us. But he is busy discussing with his wife. Okay.
Somehow I understand him. Maybe we should have listened to his last plea.
Will you shut up your mouth? What are you saying? So, because of this small money they will pay Kene, that's why you're panicking. Let's watch now. Let him go. Let him go and do the final job. And then when he's gone, we'll sell all the properties. We'll have the money. And then we'll become rich and wealthy ladies.
This is why I like you, Ozioma. You think like me.
Amaka, I'm your sister.
Don't let me give you my true colors. If you don't behave like us, see, I will give you levels.
Well, it's not as if I am not game with you people. Jim now. But anyway, I overheard him telling his wife, Nama, to go cut our plantain and give to her mother.
What? When we are here,
hey,
Ozioma, get cutlass. Osiso. Both of you should rush to that plantation. Cut that plantain. If she dares you, deal with her.
See, I don't trust Amaka.
I am serious now. How would I joke with something like that?
Hi. But we'll go together. Are you not going?
I said both of you.
Now where is the cutlass now?
What is in my head? Come and see it.
Where did you keep the cutlass? Where is the cutlass now?
I've been trying my best to give peace a chance. I don't wanna fight you. You believe, can believe. I believe, but you forgot. One name, oh, I come with your child. I'm gonna come with you. I come with your child.
Okay, so this is true. Hey. Okay. So you actually came to cut it. You came to cut the plantain, eh? Give it to me.
Auntie Ozioma.
Give it to me.
Auntie Ozioma. Auntie Ozioma, leave this plantain. I told I only cut this plantain to give to my mother.
Oh, so my brother asked you to come and cut this plantain for your mother, and you foolishly accepted to come and cut it. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Auntie Ozioma, I'm keeping you both quiet though. Yes, I am keeping you both quiet.
Hey! So you are talking back at us? Are you mad? Enough, Wala.
Auntie Ozioma, I am keeping you both quiet because you people are my sisters-in-law. Oh, you want the plantain, Okoya? Oh yeah, take. Eat it. If that plantain will save your life. Ogini, what is all this? I don't know you.
Do you know me? Are you mad? Give it to her. Are you crazy?
Auntie Ozioma, I don't try this.
Are you crazy? Don't try this. Are you mad? Take this again. Take this again. Take this. What have you done now? Hey, Maka, why did you hit her now? I did not ask you to hit her stick now.
She's dying, you know.
Hey, Maka, you killed us. She's dying, you know. Maka, why did you hit her now? Did I ask you to hit her stick?
Is she breathing? Please stand up.
Mama, come and take the plantain. We don't want... Hey! Take the whole plantation. Hey!
Sister, what do we do? What do we do? Mama, stand up. Stand up. Hey, let's go.
Where are you going to? Where are you going? No. We cannot go anywhere now.
They'll catch us. They'll catch us. They'll come on.
You wait. Where are you running to now? Why did you even hit her now? Why did you hit her? Did I ask you to hit her? We're just fighting.
We are sorry. We are sorry. Take the plantation.
Mama, come and take the plantation. Take the plantation. You have plantation, no? Hey! Take the plantation. Hey! Why did you hit her? Why did you hit her now? Why did you hit her now? Hey, you have hit her. Is she breathing?
Let's go.
No. We cannot go like that now.
They'll catch us.
If we are running now, somebody see us one day, will say, why are we running?
No, ma. And then I'll quit.
Take Mama's body to the mortuary. Ogonna, I don't even know. So Mama later died. Mama died. Ogonna, do you know how I suffered to get that money? Ogonna, do you know what I did to get that money? Why are men so wicked? Why are they evil?
It's okay.
They refuse to help me, oh God. They refuse to help me unless I sleep with them.
It's okay. You should know that men will always be men. And all of them will reap whatever they sow in this life. You should know that.
Oh God.
It's okay.
Oh God, now I'll never forget this day. I will not forget this day. Hey, Mama. And get me my slippers. Let me go and see Ichie, Bring my slippers, let's go. Hey, Mama. Hey, Oga Romanus. Don't worry. I'm coming back. I'm coming now, Stay in the house. Let me go and call the chief. Oh, let me call the other elders. Just there, I'm coming. Oh, let me go.
What is it? What is it? Oh, Gini. Oh, sister, it's like she's dead though. What? Sister, come and see. I think she's dead.
Is she alive? Is she dead?
How come? Hey, what happened now? Talk.
We were playing with the plantain, and then the next thing, Uzema hit her, pushed her.
Are you crazy? Sister, that's a lie. I slapped her first, but then we're now struggling. She was the one that carried. This is not this stick. This is not this stick you carried to hit her. She's the one that carried stick to hit the girl. Did I say you hit that stick?
Quiet! Both of you should shut up. What is this now, Nechuku? Oh! You should have left the plantain for her since she was already here. Eh? You should have left the plantain for her since she was already here.
Just go back.
And sister, what this girl was? Did I ask you? Was it not just slap? I slapped her.
But I told you.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You don't have respect. You don't have order that you don't have respect. I will try.
Quiet! I walk out from this place. In fact, I'm quiet.
Sister, please, sister, Biko. We're sorry.
What is this? Keep quiet. Let's think of what to do. You should be thinking of what to do with her body, not shouting. If we go and report this now to her family, what do we tell them that happened to her?
Amaka has killed someone.
I don't want to go to jail.
Amaka, you know you
I don't want to go to jail. I am not in this. Okay, we are still talking.
Biko. Sister, don't leave us. Don't leave us.
We are sorry. Sister, what do we do?
Shut up.
Okay.
Just shut up first. Let's think.
Asa. Asi baby. Asa, where are you? It's me, your guy Henry. Come on, I have something for you.
Henry, what did I hear you call my sales girl?
So you're here?
No, I'm not here. I'm in the spirit.
Why can't I call your sales girl? I actually wanted to find out if you're in.
So, it's okay. Okay, I'm here now. What do you have for her?
I wanted to find out where you are.
I'm here now. Give me what you brought for her. Because I heard you say you have something for her.
Yes, I have something for her. Actually, it was to find out where you are.
Henry, how many times did I call you?
3 times.
Okay, tonto. This is the last time this thing will happen. I know you have eyes for this girl, plus, but please, leave her for me. I'm not ready to share her with anybody. I won't tell you this again. I can kill because of her. Give me the tea you brought for her.
I actually brought this food here to eat in your shop. Since you don't want me here, let me go to my shop and eat it now.
Go to your shop. Go to your shop. I will wound this man one day. He will think it's a joke. Coming to tamper with the property I'm investing in. Useless man.
Amaka, how are you?
Fine.
Please, is Norma in or Kene?
Norma? I have not seen her today. Kene, he went out. I don't know where he went to.
Okay. Oh. Maybe both of them traveled together.
I could have forgotten. They traveled together. Ijia.
Maybe I will check back later.
Yes. Ngwano.
Okay, got him.
Ngwano, bye.
Oh.
one nearly caught me. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. Why'd you go there? Why'd you go there? No.
Ogomo.
Oh, Nani.
How are you, my in-law?
I'm fine. How is your family, Nani?
Fine. Is your daughter with you?
No, she's not in my house. Is she not in her husband's house?
I didn't see her. Kene earlier called me that he's going to the city.
Okay.
He wanted me to do something for him.
Uh-huh.
I did not go on time. Then I went there now. I did not see him. I did not see Norma. So I wanted to know if your daughter came to your house or she traveled with Kenneth to the city.
She didn't come to my house. Maybe she traveled with the husband to the city. Because even Kenneth told me earlier on that he will be getting me plantain. But I didn't see him. I didn't see my daughter. So maybe they both went to the city.
Maybe they both traveled.
Yes.
They both. Okay.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay until they come back.
Yes, sir.
Dalu.
Nani. Thank you, sir.
Thank
you, sir.
Hey.
What this girl deserves. Her mouth is too much. She does not have respect for her elders. Now she's here. Do your worst now.
Oh, Zioma, come and dig.
This girl is stubborn. She can't talk. She does anything she's saying. She say it's because of your brother. It's because of, come and talk to me again.
Oh, Zioma, dig this thing.
My friend, dig now, eh? Are you not supposed to be remorseful? If I report this thing now, eh, you people will end up in jail.
Hey.
I'm not a mogul, man. So please dig and be fast.
That will dig.
You're talking about respect here.
Shut up your mouth. Don't talk to me like that. I'm not older than you. Don't respect your senior.
Is it about age here?
Please dig.
My friend, dig this thing, oh. Dig this thing.
Sister, I'll beat this girl, oh. Dig this shit, job.
You're talking.
Please be fast, oh.
Sister,
dig.
Sister, we're trying. Sister, you're not going to help us.
You're supposed to be remorseful. Dig, oh. Do quick. Let's go. Let's leave this place. Eh? If anybody sees us here, eh, you people will end up in jail.
No. Please don't report to I don't want to go to jail. Sister, do you know that Ichie came to the house to look for her and Kenneth?
So? Please dig. Let's leave here.
There's trouble.
Which trouble? My friend, dig this thing. Let's bury her body and leave here.
Is it not you that even caused this? If you are not on this thing now,
she's still talking. I can't believe you still have mouth to talk.
Sister, I'll beat this girl. She does not have respect.
You're still talking. Don't worry, I'm going.
I'm digging. Sister, say I'm digging.
Are you ready to dig?
You don't have respect.
Oh, yeah.
For your seniors have been.
You tell me, let's go.
Sister, I'll beat this girl.
See this compound fools. Dig now. What is wrong with you?
See what happened to this girl. That's what
happened. It was you that let's go and show her.
Sister,
now you've shown her.
Shut up and dig.
Come and dig soon.
Amaka, go back. You know she's average. Go back so that the grave will contain her. Yes. Here, that side. Oh, yeah.
But this girl does not have respect.
Honey, you are done already. I hope you enjoyed the soup. Hey, let me clear the dining. Roma, my husband, what is it? You did not eat your food. You didn't even touch it. Why are you like this?
I'm not happy at all.
Okay.
I'm not happy. Something tragic happened.
Tragic? Oh, God. Please save us. Okay, what happened again?
A disaster. She just called me that she lost her mother. Very nice woman. Huh? Now it's only Asada will be dead with this for the house.
Such a pity. Such a pity. But, my husband, I don't understand though. Why are you this sober? Because of her mother's death. Why is he getting down on you like this?
What do you mean? Don't you have human sympathy? This is somebody's mother died and you are talking like this. What is paining me more is that woman looks like my mother.
You even know the woman. Child. It's not as if I'm not having sympathy for her. I do. What I am saying is that, Romanus, when your mother died, you were not like this. Yes. Even when my own mother died, it did not get down on you like this. So why is this one getting down on you that you even refuse to eat?
Really?
Yes.
So you are really showing that you don't have human sympathy. What kind of thing is this? Somebody's mother that looks like my mother.
Is she your mother?
Anyway, it's okay. I have lost appetite. I don't want to eat again.
You don't want to eat again?
Yes, there's no problem.
Romanus.
No eating. Eat. You should show human sympathy.
Human sympathy? It is not your mother that died. Neither is it my mother that died. It's egusi soup. Ofe egusi. Also losing appetite. So what? You will soon tell me what is going on between you and that girl. Ordinary says girl mother. You refuse to eat.
Stevie, Biko, whatever you want us to do, we'll do it. Please help us. Save us from this, please, Biko.
Sister, you know we're very loyal to you. And we never disobey you. Sister Biko, help us now. Biko.
Good. You two should continue your obedience to me. Do you hear me?
Okay.
I don't know when Kenya will be back. Then they will start looking for Norma.
Hey!
You have to be hardened. Do not fret. Else you will end yourself in jail. You just end up in jail. Am I Mona Nagota?
Hey! Oh! What have we done? Oh! I shouldn't have fought her. We should have allowed her to go with the plantain. Hey! So Norma is not the one in the grave.
Amaka, will you shut up? See what you are saying? Sister, this girl will expose us also.
Amaka, see, you will end up exposing yourself and you will go to jail.
Now.
If you end up exposing yourself, you will go to jail. So you have to be strong. If it requires you drinking alcohol every day, one and buy sapele water, drink so that your mind will be strong. On no circumstances must any of you talk.
Yes, sister.
Let's come back and carry this cross. Not I hot chocolate.
My baby Asa. Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, sweet daddy.
Oh my God.
You know I've missed you.
That name you just called me, sweet daddy, knocked my head out immediately.
Really?
See, I've told you, I will make sure you don't lack anything. I will do anything for you. Everything, that's what I need. So how are you? What about your mother?
She has been buried, but the burial ceremony, we're yet to do it. You know now, we don't have money, so we're just waiting, you know. We've not done it yet.
Don't worry yourselves. I've told you that as long as you love me, I will make sure you don't lack anything.
Really?
I'll do everything for you. And when I say everything, I mean everything.
Oh my God! I'm so happy to see you. I have missed you, baby. So much.
Please don't say it again. That one hit me finally.
Baby, you're going to love me. You're going to love me and you will not regret it.
You don't mean it.
I'm going to make you feel so good.
Please, let's not talk too much again. Let's shut down this store and then just go somewhere and talk. Okay. And of course, relax. One for the road. Let's shut
Baby,
down.
let's go. Let's go. I've missed you, baby. I've missed you so much.
Asa. Asa.
Lock very fast. Don't forget your car keys, oh.
Please.
What is it now? What is it? What is it now? What is it? What is it?
That's not normal. That's not normal. My dream. Mama is pushing me.
What is it now? You are going to put us in trouble. This guy, you put us in trouble. What is all this one? Like, you want people to...
Mama wants to kill me.
Now you want to give me heart attack. You want to kill me. You want to kill me.
I've been seeing her in my dream.
You have not seen anybody in your dream. Ask this girl. No. No. Okay. Wait. See. We'll find a solution. Catch up. Okay, calm down. We'll find a solution. Calm down. Find a solution. Calm down.
What do we do?
My dear, you should have at least pity the poor girl. It's not easy to lose a mother.
Judith, why are you talking like this? Who said I did not pity her? I pitied her. But the thing is that if you see the way my husband was weighed down, as if he was the one that lost his mother, if you are the one, if you are in my shoes, you will behave as such. Yes, he refused to eat just because he says lost her mother. And you said I should have pitied.
My dear, I'm tired. I've come to understand that you don't have to put eyes in what your husband is doing. Just leave them. Yes, Nepurhanya.
Leave who? I should leave Romanus. No, it's not possible. Romanus drove his first wife away because she cheated on him. When he married me, he made me vow never to cheat on him. And because of that, Romanus will not cheat on me because I am not cheating on him. Yes, he cannot cheat on me. I'm not cheating on him now. What are you saying? See, let me tell you. You see that girl, once she returns from wherever she went to, I will resume work with them in that shop. Yes, all of us will start doing the business. Oh. Is it not my husband's business? I will join suit. Yes.
Bow. Can't wait so far. Yes, if you do that one, you are looking for trouble.
Which trouble? I'm protecting my marriage. You say I'm looking for trouble. How?
See, men are polygamous in nature. If you cheat because your husband is cheating, he will leave you, send you away, and go and marry that girl. The best thing for you is just to pretend as if you don't know what they are doing. Yes, now.
Muabu Jennifer, pretend as if I don't know what Romanus is doing. It's not possible. I will not pretend, my sister. Yes. You see that girl? I am not comfortable with her. Or don't you know that men are moved by what they see? The more Romanus is seeing that girl in Kirian and Kazuya, he will be carried away. And by then my marriage will be at stake. Mba, I will not lose my husband. You see that girl? She needs to go.
Then you have to use wisdom. Men do worst when they notice that you are jealous. But you see, if you pretend as if you don't know what he's doing, he will ask himself question. You understand?
I don't understand. I refuse to understand anything. The only thing I want to understand is that girl, Nkiru Kanazoka, is no longer in that shop. That is the only thing I want to understand. And I will not be quiet over it until that girl leaves.
I don't know what to say again.
You don't need to say anything again. You don't need to say anything. That girl will leave.
I think you girls should go to the city for now, so that you don't expose yourselves.
Sister, I don't have a problem. Talk to Amaka. She's the one who is already misbehaving. But when we get to the city, where are we going to stay? You know we don't have enough money. How are we even going to cope?
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Not going to come back. I don't think it's
Which Kene? Who dash Kene moto? I beg.
No, Kene. If you okay.
Kene chuku. On a lolo driver.
Life will teach you a lesson.
Hey, my lovely sisters. Yes, it's me, Ekene, your sweet brother. I am back. Why are your faces like this? Are you surprised to see me? Or are you surprised to see this? Don't bother yourself, Igadiko.
Are you sure you're not working as a driver?
No. There's money now. I don't know. Ichego now, Fagego. Do you understand? There is money now. You know? I want us to start living in peace. So you should brighten your faces. Come on.
Kenechko.
Yeah, I done them.
So you left this village without informing me, your elder sister. Yeah? And you want to tell us now you are back. Did you tell us where you went? Igbalai?
I don't know, this is your brother, Ekene. Your only brother. You don't have any other brother elsewhere. Do you know that? Anyway, I am sorry about that, but right now I'm back. I'm back. I want us to start living in peace. There is money. We'll start enjoying now. Believe me. Meanwhile, where is my wife?
I don't know. We have not seen her.
Onyenche wife.
Anyway, that one aside. Come and help me bring down the things from the car. Go. Piano. Here you go.
Drink and be merry, my dear. That's why I brought you to this, my favorite spot. Listen, I promise you one thing, that I'm going to make sure you don't lack anything at all. Trust me, I have the money to do it. And not just that, I will make sure your mother is buried properly too.
Baby, you should know that's your duty already. But as for this thing I have here, this thing that is making you go crazy, I'm going to use it to whine you and whine you.
You see this thing you just said now? Just drove me crazy. Why don't you just go upstairs there and have one round as a sample?
Okay, baby, I'm all yours. Whenever you want me, I'm available.
You didn't touch well, oh.
Baby.
Plant it well.
Babe, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
Drink
up. To you hot.
Drink up.
You're going to scream my name today.
Chibo.
Special in-law.
Is this you, Kene?
My one and only in-law.
The one Anya. Hey, is this you?
Come on, take you, man.
Are you the owner of this car?
Well, this is just one of them. More are still coming.
The one Anya. Yeah.
Where is my wife? I'll have to turn her back.
What do you mean by where's your wife?
Is she not here?
Where? Did you not travel with her?
No. I left her at home when I was traveling. I didn't travel
home.
with her.
No. For the past 3 weeks that you left, I've not seen her and I've not heard from her. So what's the meaning of that?
Can you name me?
We'll say what me here name. Can you to us?
You mean?
Sister, what do we do? What do we do? I'm afraid of. Friend, shut up. Let me think.
Sister, but you have to think fast though. Kine is getting really nice and we don't know what his plan is. We need to do something.
See, Amata, you better be strong now, no? This is the time for you to be strong. You know what the police will do to you if you dare expose yourself. So be strong and save yourself that disgrace. If not, I will tell them the whole story. Kambwako, you know I am not part of this. Was I there when it happened? You are part of it, you are involved. How? Was I there? Was it my organ? I am telling you. Be strong, go. Let's maintain our stand. Even if the whole villagers assemble here, we'll keep saying that we don't know Norma's whereabouts. Exactly. Makwali Amalo. It's so easy to say to you people. You will not try to you put us in trouble. Okay. Doing all these things. You will put yourself in this. Not me. The truth of the matter is we have to pretend now. Can't you pretend? Pretending. Don't you know what is going on? Sister, this thing is how you think that will make them catch you. I've told you, time without numbers. Just try big go kai job.
He's back. He confirmed that he was not with her. That she was in the village when he traveled. Okay. Please call them and get back to me. Call them and get back to me, okay? Okay. They said they've not seen her. But that he will be calling one of her friends to confirm if she has gone there to see them. Then he will get back to me.
All the while I've been calling her, she hasn't picked my call. Or thought of calling me back. Or call you.
I don't like this talk. I like your akaka na akọ now. What kind of talk is this? That you've not seen your wife for the past 3 weeks. Your own wife.
How will I know? How will I know? I asked her to get you plantain when I was leaving.
I have not seen my daughter, neither did I see any plantain. What kind of rubbish talk is this? Mamo, anyway, let me just wait. Let me hear from my son first. I may take you. I want you. I won't take it too.
I'm calling her line and she wasn't picking and she has not called me.
I can't get it. I can't get it at all.
Yeah, I saw my baby. Yes. Honestly, I've never seen a woman like you. You make me very happy all the time. I really love you and I am happy that I have you as my girl.
Me too, baby. I am happy to have you as my lover.
That scattered my head.
But baby, there's one thing. I need you to get me a house, like a place of my own where I can stay. Or would you want me to come and live with you?
Why not? Come and live with me now.
Really?
But the problem is my wife. She will eat you like suya. But don't worry. I will chase her away very soon and then you'll move it and live with me forever.
Good.
How about that?
Good. Do it very fast, okay?
Yes.
Then when I come, I'm going to be giving it to you anytime.
Oh.
Anytime. Up, down, center. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Trust me. We're going to go somewhere. Henry.
Bros, hello.
What is it, Henry? Why are you just walking up and down like a ghost? Yeah? Why can't you just stay in your shop for once and give us some privacy and give peace a chance?
Romance, is it me that you're talking to like this? What is wrong in my visiting you? Anyway, I didn't come to see you, I came to see Asa.
What for?
You told me she lost her mother and I've come to sympathize with her. Hi!
Oga Henry, Ezibo Madu. Thank you, thank
Please,
you.
excuse me. That's okay. What is it?
What is wrong with you?
I said go to.
Okay, you know.
Okay, go to.
Oh, you're pushing me out.
You didn't even bring money.
Why you go?
When they give you allow, you want to take allowance. And you are hugging. What are you hugging about?
I'm sorry. You know, he was just sympathizing with me.
Who is his sympathy? He didn't even come with money.
Does he have money? You're the one I love now. Who is Henry? Hey.
What do we call this? Kenny, if you did not go with her, where could she be?
Micheal, what you're asking me, I don't know. If I know where she is, would I have called you people here? Her brothers called and said that she's nowhere to be found in the city.
All I know is that fateful day, Kene and Norma were inside the house discussing before they left. Because when we came out, they were not there. Amaka, not be so.
Not so. We were even angry that they did not tell us before leaving.
Ozoma.
Exactly.
Kenechukwu, this is a very serious matter. I don't know how to explain this now. If you have anything to tell us, please do it now.
Kenechukwu, we are your kinsmen. You sent for me that day. You did not even wait for me to come. On getting here, I met with Amaka, who told me that you both were not around. If there is anything you want us to hear, tell us now, before this matter gets up.
Onyiche, we were here together that day discussing. We waited for you to come so I can tell you that I'm leaving. Then I also told her to tell you to help her cut the plantain. From there, we left to the park. Getting to the park, I entered Okada. I started going. She came back on her own.
Chimo, what do we say now? What do you
have? Kene, let it not be what we are thinking. Because that's exactly what others will think.
Ndiche, what do you mean? See, we know we're not living peacefully with our brother. Yes. But you people should not think otherwise in this matter. Chelo, are you trying to accuse Kenechukwu of money ritual? Mbakwao, please don't go there. He's not like that. Okay?
Ifeyinwa,
yes.
Are you the one saying this?
Then where is the girl?
I should be asking him.
Where is his wife?
I should be asking Mazieze.
Otoewa.
Kenechukwu, if you could remember vividly, you told Norma to go and beg Ichieze to help her cut plantain, okay? We all know that Ichienwe ko sieje. Even on a mendapo. We all know you. We should be asking him. One thing leads to the other.
Hey,
so, he should tell us where Norma is.
Kenechukwu, please, if you have anything to tell us, say it now. Before that family, we start thinking in another way.
See, we must remain strong. If they say he should swear, let him swear.
What if he swears and nothing happens to him?
Exactly. Don't you know they'll be pointing accusing fingers at us?
How? That what happened? See, everybody knows that we're not in good terms with her. We don't know her whereabouts.
That is the reason they will suspect us.
For what? Nobody should panic, because
What is happening?
My dear, the elders are not here as you wanted. So we are suspecting they want to sell you off.
What is this? What is really happening? In fact, I'm going to the police to make a report.
No. Is it necessary? You don't have to. Why would you want to do that?
It's necessary. Because I left my wife at home. Coming back now, she's nowhere to be found. And they're accusing me of what I know nothing about. What is this?
Don't worry, the elders will sort it out.
No, I must get to the root of this.
The elders will handle it.
See, here I bring the police.
The elders will handle it.
If I bring the police,